Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Garments Technology. Dear viewers, now I introduce PD cylinder bed machine. You can use this machine instead of cylinder bed. This machine manufactured by Yamato sewing machine. This machine suitable for sleeve hem, body hem and any kind of top stitch. You get better performance for heavy GSM garment sewing. Royal cutter device not included here. This machine operate and handling very easy and friendly user also. If you get any benefit from this video, please don't forget subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.